In this video, I'm going to show you how to save an Adobe Illustrator file as a JPEG. If you click on the File option at the top navigation bar and then select Save As, you will notice that JPEG is not listed as one of the available formats. This is because Illustrator does not allow you to save directly as a JPEG using the Save As option. Instead, you need to use the Export function. To export your file as a JPEG, go to the File menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down menu, hover over Export and then click on Export for Screens. A new window will open with different export options. First, you can choose whether you want to export the entire artboard or specific assets. Next, you need to select the format. Click on the Format drop-down menu and choose JPEG. Illustrator will give you several JPEG options, such as JPEG 100, JPEG 80, and others. JPEG 100 will export the file at the highest quality, while lower numbers will reduce the file size but also decrease the image quality. After selecting your preferred JPEG format, you can adjust additional settings like the resolution and whether to create subfolders. Once you have set all your preferences, click on Export Artboard. Illustrator will process the file, and your artboard will be saved as a JPEG in the location you selected. This method allows you to create high-quality JPEG files directly from Adobe Illustrator while giving you control over file size and resolution.